Hi, welcome back to my channel, Princess Beyond Passions. My name is Princess. Do you know that you can actually go check out some pillows like this one that is for anti-snore? You know, for those of you who snore, hey, it's normal. It's part of nature, right? But you can go check out some pillows, anti-snore pillows. And if you are allergic to some things, you can also check out some anti-allergy pillows. And there they have some that are extra soft, extra firm for older people who want to, support themselves with, some sort of firm pillows. You can also go check out some, even those that have different kinds of shapes. Yeah, this is why I have brought you to this store today to show you these pillows, and some beddings. Now I'm in the section for beddings. I saw some beautiful bed sheets or bedspreads. I particularly like this store because they have, they stock a variety of bedspreads, bed sheets, fitted sheets, flat sheets, duvet covers, and so many different colors as well. For me, I would like to change some of my beddings. I like the mustard seed like this one, the linen. I also like the pink ones. Those are the two most beautiful colors I have seen here. And for the fitted bed sheets, I think it's only the white one I saw. This mustard seed, I love it, fitted. And it's just for £6. Super soft bed linen. I like it. I just check for the size that I need and I'll pick my own size. But I think I have found the colors that I really like here. This one says super soft fitted sheet for only £4. Bed sheets, fitted bed sheets. I like using fitted bed sheets because it's easier to make my bed. When you use fitted bed sheets, all you just need to do is to fit it onto your mattress and off you go. But when you use the other type, the flat sheets, oh my goodness, you have to tuck in and walk around and tuck in and until you lay all your things that you need to lay on your bed before your duvet, right? Okay, so I am now in the section for kids covers, like kids duvet covers or throws. It's actually cheaper to go if you want to get some covers for winter for your kids. I think you can actually go now to shop for those things, because if you wait until winter comes, they might go more expensive. They might become more expensive. But now that we are in the summertime, this is a time to go shopping for these things, because you still have them in the stores. Actually, you still have them in the stores. Some of the stores have not brought them down. Look at this one that I'm touching. So beautiful, so soft, and it's so warm, So I think that's one of the things that you need to consider. So when it's summer, you go shopping for things that you will use during the winter, because they are still there. Look at this one. So beautiful. The color is so beautiful. Look at this pink Oh, and peach is also there. Green is there. Teal is there. Cream color is there. White is there. Guys, have you seen the prices that I am showing you? And the sizes. I saw some really big sizes.
They're really big. Their prices are affordable. £14, £18. Look at the giant ones, £20. Double king, £20, £22. The most expensive I saw there was £25 or £28. This size is really big.
I also saw some throw pillows. These covers are so beautiful. So I thought I should not just pick the few that I've come here to buy, but also show you. Look at this mint. The mint color is so beautiful. It's just £14, guys, and is king. I think it's king size. It's one of the biggest sizes. Look at that. Yeah, double. This one is double, and it sells for £22, and it's white color, and you can use it in summer, you can use it in winter. Look at this one. This is king size, and it sells for £28. Guys, you can go do your shopping for your beddings now. Yeah, as I was saying, I wanted to show you some of these things. I don't want to be selfish, by just picking mine and go away. Look at this one, extra large, and the color is just so sweet. It's mustard color, extra large, and these are fitted. Those other ones are fitted, and then you have other colors here. You have deep green, you have mustard, you have mint, you have black, you have you have gray, you have white. When I saw the black one, I remembered one of my YouTube sisters, Pretty Mary Maine of Kenya. She loves black beddings and black curtains and all that stuff. So shout out to you, Pretty Mary. Yeah, I remembered you when I saw the black beddings. Alright, this is large, super soft fleece throw. I told you guys, this is fleece. This is a fleece throw. It's so comfortable. It's so beautiful. You see how I was running my fingers through it. Oh, I felt like just sleeping there. Oh, it's so beautiful. And you can just pop into the store and pick these ones. And now that it's at this time, you can then buy these ones and keep for because in a few months time, actually, we're gonna go back to winter and the cold months. Oh, look at that one. What does it say? Waffle faux fur. This is a faux fur throw. Faux fur throw. And it's 130 cm by 150. It's not actually that small.
How much is it? £20. And you use and use and use it.
I love the color. I love that color. But you can buy it for your baby girl. No, I don't want to go upstairs today. Let me just stay within this section, because this is what I have come here to pick today. That's why I am showing you.
Hey, what do you think? Put your comments in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumb up, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to all, so you'll be updated of my new uploads. And I'll see you in my next video.
Yeah, and there is a pretty queen with her natural face.